Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to draw a line between the two coordinates in Google Map. We already implemented the Google Map integration. If you didn't watch the video, I will give an I button. You can check it out. Now I am going to draw two lines between two coordinates. This is my current location. So I am going to drop some pin on some other coordinates. So I am create a function to create a pin on coordinate CL location coordinate and create a GMS marker. It's nothing but a Google Map pin. Here I am setting the coordinate as a position, and also this is a pin is equal to, then pin dot icon is equal to GMS marker dot marker image of color, and now I am setting the brown color for this and setting the pin and appearance as pop. This means the marker will be show with some animation. Then assigning to the map, here I am assigning my map view. That's all. Now we need a coordinate where we have to place our marker, so that I'm going to implement the Google Map delegates, like delegate equal to self, and I am extending my view controller with GMS map view delegate. Now I am setting the map view did tap coordinate, did tap at the coordinate. Here I am creating the coordinate pin using that coordinates. Now the pin will be set at the where we are tapping at the map. Now we can check it. Well, now I am tapping at the map. The marker will be showing. It's automatically creating with some animation. It's a pop animation. Like we will be create some whatever we need. We create pins like. Now I am going to draw lines between my location to my dropping pin. So I am creating a function to draw line to coordinate as CL location coordinates. Now I already have my current location, so I am getting that current location and using GU, then else return. Now I am having the coordinate, and also this is my coordinate, and now I am going to create a GMS polyline. Here we need some path, so that we create it as a GMS mutable path. Likewise, I am setting that path and path dot add coordinate as my coordinate, and another one is path dot add coordinate of my dropped pin coordinate. Now I am setting the path as like this. Then this polyline. Now I am setting the polyline to my map. So map view, likewise I implemented. Now I run the code. Before that we have to call the function, like the same coordinate will be passed to here. Now I run the code. You can check it what is going on our map. The current location was showing here. Now I am tap the marker on my map. The line will be automatically draw, and also the marker will be create as a pop with pop animation. Likewise, we can draw a line to the like a straight line to our from the my current location to any other coordinates. Likewise, I am drawing. I think this is a very funny to implement this. I hope you have learned this how to draw a line between the two coordinates. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.